Alright, today we're going to look at coming up with the equation of a line when you're given 2 points. So our target is that you can write the equation of a line given 2 points by the end of class today. So we're just look at the first example here for letter A when you're just given 2 points directly in coordinate form. So we're going to do the same thing we always do, and we're going to list our steps. So step 1, when you're given the 2 points, you're just going to find the slope between the 2 points. Remember, the slope between 2 points can be found with a formula. So I'm going to write the formula below it just to refresh our memories. So m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we're just going to use that slope formula with the points that we're given. So I'll label my points. I have x1, y1, x2, y2. And the only reason I'm putting those values is because this is my first coordinate that I see, and this is the second coordinate. So now I can take the y values and subtract them, and then take the x values and subtract them. So my slope is going to be y sub 2, which is 0, minus y sub 1, which is negative 4. Over x sub 2, which is negative 3, minus x1, which is negative 5. So I took my y values and subtracted them, and then I took the x values and subtracted them. 0 minus 4 is positive 4 because this turns into plus 4. Negative 3 minus negative 5, well, this turns into positive 5, so this is 4 over 2, which I can simplify to be 2. So my slope equals 2. So now step 2, you're just going to use the point slope form. To find the equation. So remember, my point slope form is up here at the top of the notes, so I can use that to help me. And what's nice, since I've already labeled my x1, y1, I can just use those points into this formula. Technically, you could use either set of coordinates to plug into this formula, but since we already have this labeled, I'm just going to use this first set of coordinates. And now that I have my slope, which I know is m, I also have the m value. So we're going to have y minus negative 4 equals the slope times x minus negative 5. I'm going to take care of these negatives since there are double negatives here to make my life a little bit easier. This becomes y plus 4 equals 2 times x plus 5. So all I did was rewrite the double negatives into positives. Now I can distribute on the right hand side. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 5 is 10. I can draw the little rainbow arcs to show that I'm doing that. And then to get y by itself, y equals 2x plus 6. So my equation, I'll just rewrite it, is y equals 2x plus 6. And that's how you find the equation of a line between 2 points. To check your answer, if you plug back in either of those points, they should make this equation true. So if I look back at the beginning, the first coordinates I had were -5 and -4. So if I plug in -5 for x, 2 times -5 is -10, plus 6 gives me -4 for the y. So that one checks out. Using the other point, which was -3, 0, if I plug in -3 for x, 2 times -3 is -6, plus 6 is 0. So now I want you to try a couple problems finding the equation when you're just given 2 points. The only extra step here that we've added is you have to find the slope to begin with. Good luck.